Hello builders, join me. Let's learn the names of some important tools and their functions that you use in building construction. Wrench. Used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Hammer. Used to hit or shape metal parts. Screwdriver. Used to tighten or loosen screws. Measuring tape. Used for measuring length and distance. Spirit level. Used for checking if a surface is level. Hand saw. Used for cutting wood manually. Electric drill. Used for drilling holes and driving screws. Pliers. Used to hold, bend, or cut wires. Chisel. Used for cutting or shaping wood and stone. Ladder. Used for reaching high places. Wheelbarrow. Used for carrying construction materials. Shovel. Used for digging and moving soil or sand. Trowel. Used for spreading cement or plaster. Concrete mixer. Used for mixing cement, sand, and water. Utility knife. Used for cutting materials like cardboard or plastic. Safety helmet. Protects the head from injury. Safety gloves. Protects hands while working. Safety boots. Protects feet from heavy objects. Paint, brush. Used for painting surfaces. Roller brush. Used for painting large surfaces quickly. Angle grinder. Used to cut or smooth metal surfaces. Crowbar. Used for pulling apart materials or removing nails. Pipe wrench. Used for gripping and turning pipes. Cement bucket. Used for carrying cement or water. Nail gun. Used for driving nails quickly into materials. Scaffolding. Used to support workers at high places. Tile cutter. Used for cutting tiles accurately. Air compressor. Supplies compressed air for tools. Safety goggles. Protects eyes from debris. Ear protection. Protects ears from loud noise. Welding machine. Used for joining metal parts together. Excavator. Used for digging and moving large amounts of soil. Clamp. Holds materials tightly together. Hacksaw. Used for cutting metal pipes and rods. Bolt cutter. Cuts metal rods and chains. Caulking gun. Applies sealant or silicone. Jackhammer. Breaks concrete and hard surfaces. Laser level. Gives accurate leveling lines. Rebar cutter. Cuts reinforcing steel bars. Rebar bender. Bends steel reinforcement bars. Sledgehammer. Used for heavy demolition work. Cement vibrator. Removes air bubbles from concrete. Tile spacers. Keeps equal spacing between tiles. Stud finder. Finds studs behind walls. Wire stripper. Removes insulation from wires. Multimeter. Measures voltage and electrical current. PVC pipe cutter. Cuts plastic pipes. Paint sprayer. Sprays paint evenly on surfaces. Safety harness. Protects workers working at heights.